everyone, welcome back to another vlog. This is going to be a week in my life vlog. If you are new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and if you are a returning subscriber, thank you for stopping by once again. So when I was done with whatever activities that took me to the bank, I had to prepare noodles and egg because I was very hungry. So watch the video to the end and stay tuned. Thank you once again for stopping by here. Please stay to the end.
Music chose me, just know this and know peace. I dey low key, but I'm never lonely. Sexy ladies, come wine me slowly.
Darren, are you going home now? Please.
Which side is it?
Oh, that's a small gift. Yeah. See bum. Gift. Turn around.
Videos, it will make sense. You will even put the top for the background.
I use InShot, but these days I'm using CapCut. I use InShot and CapCut mostly. Sega!
I know be OG, but if you ask them know me.
Well, that's it. Thank you. After the stress of the day, I came to site 2 to chill and use the school Wi-Fi to download some movies. Alpha, give me on your now. So I just want to tell you guys a quick one. My exam is this month, and right now I am freaking at, like, when they see somebody's freaking at, that is me. So I want to go to a friend's place to go and read. I'm supposed to go there by 1, and what's the time? Time is currently 1:35. I haven't even taken my bath, so I'm guessing before 2:30 I should be there. I'm going to stay there. I pray that my day go as planned as I go, and my probably vlog is on probability. Maybe I'll say I'm going to read one course till 5 o'clock. Then I don't do a woko. I call one of my classmates. I wanted to ask her for more notes, so I'll be going to school to count a woko by 8 o'clock. I'm just planning my day. I just hope it goes well. And also, I'm going to look for where I'll charge my phone for 100 naira. Yeah, I'm going to charge my not my phone, my power bank, because my phone charging spot is shaking. It's shaking. So that's one. My exam is this month, and my probably vlog, and I might, it's just on probability. If I don't vlog, I'll let you guys know. So yeah, guys, I will see you guys soon. But okay, enough of the talking. I think I've talked enough. Right now I just want to take care of my laundry. Like, I don't want to meet dirty clothes when I come back. I know I'm late to where I'm going to. I just cut Betsy, so I'm
You know I'm just that type. No, them no fit kill my vibe. Them no fit kill my vibe. You no fit kill my vibe. I see you watching my stories. I see you gauging my lifestyle. I see you watching my movements. This bad bitch, bad.
Guys, I am done washing my clothes. Oh. So, who is there? I want to put my stuff for my woko inside the bag, because if I do it later I'll be so stressed out and I'm going to forget things. So Fali, can bring tissue paper for me from that store. Go and share. Ask mommy, go and ask mommy fast. Very. We are going to check our 3 cupboard and come back. Are you hearing me? Yes. Check our 3 cupboard and come back fast. I need that shit. I can't go to school without tissue paper with this. Check again. I can't go to school without tissue paper with this my running nose. Let me go and check by myself. So guys, I'm currently at the hostel.
I'm feeling vibe.
I'm shy right now, but I gotta do what I gotta do. My face. Ignore my camera, guys. So, hello, guys. I'm currently. I'm about to study right now.
One eternity later.
You're a student.
I know be OG, but if you ask them, them know me. I know they blow trees, only lonely me lonely. Music chose me, just know this and know peace.
So this was just footages of me leaving my friend's place, and I had to stop at a barbing salon to charge my power bank so I could use it for my night radio, which you can see here. So the time was exactly 4:57. I could remember 4:57. So I'm about leaving site 2 to go home. Yeah, these are people that are also going home by that time.
So, hello, guys. Good afternoon, good morning, good evening, from anytime you are watching. So, I was supposed to go to class today. I did not go. I was tired. In fact, I must say I'm tired. There's no money in Dubai, and I guess I am really, really, really serious. So the food I wanted to take to school, I want to business plan because your girl is hungry and she needs to eat. So yeah, just watch me if I eat from the camera. This is first time I'm actually doing this. This is a takeaway, blah blah blah. So I just put the food I was supposed to eat. I was supposed to be doing this semester, but bro, I don't always have time. I don't have a plastic spoon. That's why I'm using an iron spoon. So yeah. This was what I was supposed to eat in school if I was in school by this time, because there's no money to be buying things outside, and sometimes those snacks are not usually satisfying. So yeah, this is it. Can you guys see this? This is noodles, boiled noodles and egg. So I was actually supposed to carry a fork. I don't know how to pronounce that stuff. It's FORK. That's not has chicken. But this is a spoon. Maybe it was a mistake. I forgot. So I really don't know how I'm going to use spoon to eat noodles.
Approximately 10 hours later.
So guys, I am currently outside. I came here to do a walk. Hi guys, good morning. It's currently whatever. So guys, I am currently on my way home and I will see you guys. Day started off pretty bad. Like, I'm having a bad day this morning. My 100 level dues, I can't find them. I'm only seeing photocopy. Like, my day is not just going so well. Even the class, the class I was supposed to have this man disrupted. So yeah, that's that, guys. I'll see you guys soon or later, whatever. I don't know. So right now, I need to go and submit my check if my history is around, so I can submit my project sharp soon. So yeah, follow me. I'll be right back. I just remember I need to go and check. He's not in the office. I'll come back. Then. Thank you for staying up to this instant. I have text like 2. Today has really been a stressful day. Like my head is aching me, and I have text bites. Wish me luck. Pray for me. In fact, I need to pray right now because. So this is ovo soup, starch, pure water. I'm hungry. I have to eat something before my test. If not, I won't be able to concentrate. So yeah, let's.
One eternity later.
So I took the campus shuttle to go back home. I was waiting inside the bus for it to get fit before the driver could go. So guys, this is my dinner.
Years later.
So this was on Saturday. I just came here to chill and sit down, nothing much. I just practically came here to sit down. That's that.
Someone else out there feels just like you. Go outside and be kind to a stranger.